Okay, I I got her done. She's all installed. That's how they look. Looking mean from the back. I ain't fired her up yet. I just now got them on, checked all the bolts. Everything is tight. This will be the first firing of the new Voodoos. Here we go.